This is one I love to torment my grandkids with. Some of them still have nightmares over this one. You know what a gremlin is? Yeah. Little creatures that lived in the airplanes and sabotaged them. The gremlins did it. The gremlins did it. This is a full-grown one, but the larvae of the gremlins are just horrendous little creatures, and I've got them in a can. Oh, be careful. It's feeding time for the gremlins, and I'm not going to stick my finger down in there. Nobody's fed their gremlins before? So, you guys want to help me do this? We'll just feed them the styrofoam peanuts. Oh, listen to them down there. Listen to them go. Listen to them. Eat, boys. Girl. Oh, watch it. Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. Let's get a bunch of this in here. Are you still eating? What's going on? Oh, yeah, they are. Dang. They just can't reach it. Oh, yeah, there it goes. Man, you guys are hungry. Has anybody figured out what's going on? What are you thinking? Who's yeah? Well, there's nothing, there's no hole in the table. You won't ever give this secret away. It's fingernail polish remover. And as a matter of fact, we could put an entire bushel basket of styrofoam pellets in that can and make up all sorts of lies and stories to scare the kids with. And what's in the bottom of this is about 1 finger of acetone, fingernail polish. And it doesn't really dissolve the styrofoam, it lets it break it because the styrofoam's still there. And if it wasn't such a, well, I'll just go ahead and put it out here in this tray. The styrofoam's still there. There's the acetone, and there's all that stuff. So there's the styrofoam. And why would I want kids to do that? I want them to be good at telling stories and making up whoppers so they can write grants when they get older. We got tons of them. Oh, should we do the thing? You got one? Oh, yeah. This is good. What happens to little boys that play with chemicals? Got a styrofoam head. Don't do it. Don't do it. Please don't do it. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Okay, that's so much for that. Would that give your kids nightmares? Help me, help me. Oh. This is a special announcement to all my friends at Midnight Science Club, and I don't get to say things like this very often, but we had probably the greatest honor given to us recently. We were invited to do a Friday evening discourse, that's a speech, at the Royal Institution of Great Britain. And if you'd like to see it and experience it, go to the Royal Institution of Great Britain YouTube page, check it out.